You guessed it, it's Wednesday, so that means we are working on our Project Wednesday. So we are doing the camping project, which will help you work on multi-step word problems, symmetry, fractions and decimals, money, basic operations, graphing and data interpretation, measurement, and more. So, task 1, camping supplies. You are going on a camping trip, but first you'll need to buy some supplies. You have $225 to spend on supplies. Decide which ones you will purchase. One of the supplies must be a tent. So, we have a tent, that's $150. Matches, that gives you a package of 50 matches for $5.50. Backpack, for $19.25, binoculars for $10.75, lantern for $12.25, knife for $6.80, flashlight for $8.45, frying pan for $15, and sleeping bag for $25.50. So, like they said, one of the criteria is that you need a tent. So you're writing tent in this line and $150 on this line. Then you're choosing what else you want. Realize that you can't go over the $225. Task 2, campsite planning. Altogether, there are 4 families coming on your camping trip. Let's figure out the best campsite for everyone. So the different campsite options are Site 1, 20 meters long, no fire pit. All grass site, no pets allowed, no electric service. Site 2, 10 meters long, large fire pit, part gravel and part grass site, no pets allowed, electrical service included. Site number 3, 20 meters long, large fire pit, part gravel and part grass site, pet friendly, electrical service included. Site number 4, 25 meters long, small fire pit, all grass site, no pets allowed, electrical service included. So here are the clues, which I'll read in just a second, and then here is your table so that you can check which family would go in which site. So we have the Smiths, the Taylors, the Andersons, the Watsons. Then we have site number 1, site number 2, site number 3, site number 4. And those would go with the different campsites that we just went over. So the clues. The Smiths will be camping in a camper that is about 15 meters long. The Andersons will be bringing their pet, Chihuahua, with them. The Watsons need to have electrical service to run their heater at night. Mr. Watson gets cold at night. The Smiths have a generator, so they'd prefer a campsite with no electric service. The Taylors want some gravel in their site to set up their dining tent. Okay, so hopefully that'll be enough clues for you to narrow down which family should be in which campsite.